Very good morning to one and all. I hope all are fine in their homes. So, let's start for the topic of the day, that is defects of vision and their correction. So, till now we have discussed very only two topics, that is, one is your human eye structure, different functions of its various parts, and the other is power of accommodation. So, in the category of power of accommodation, we have discussed least distance of vision and the far point. So, least distance of vision क्या होता है? What is the meaning of least distance of a vision? It means for an healthy eye, if any object is placed nearby, so what distance, at till what distance it can see the things. So least distance of vision is approximately 25 centimeter for an healthy eye. And far point is if any object is at a distance very far from a person who is observing that object, then till that how much distance that object is seen by the eye, that is the far point. नज़दीक की चीज़ें किस डिस्टेंस तक देख सकते हैं और दूर की चीज़ें किस डिस्टेंस तक देख सकते हैं. नाउ इसी में अब आता है डिफेक्ट्स ऑफ विजन एंड देयर करेक्शन. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक ऑफ डिफेक्ट्स ऑफ विजन, we have two defects. One is the myopia and other is the hypermetropia, and we have other defects also, that is presbyopia, cataract, etc. We are going to discuss one by one. Now let's start with the topic, that is myopia. Now, what is myopia? What does this mean? A myopia is a disease in which a person can see near objects clearly and can't see far objects. So you can write a myopic eye. A myopic eye can see near objects clearly. A myopic eye can see near objects clearly, but unable to see far off objects or distant objects, you can say. So this is the meaning of myopia. So this other name of myopia is short-sightedness. और नियर साइटेडनेस भी आप बोल सकते हैं, और नियर sightedness. So I think definition is clear. Now let's discuss it with the help of a diagram. So human eye, healthy human eye is what? If I want to draw a diagram for a healthy human eye, then यहाँ से ऐसा ऐसा, ये थोड़ा सा आगे को लेंस, ठीक है, और ये है आपका कन्वेक्स लेंस. So healthy human eye, light comes from infinity. These are the light rays that are coming from infinity, and when these light rays fall on a, then what is going to happen? It will converge them on the retina. So this is a diagram for a healthy human eye. Healthy human eye. A myopia eye can see near objects clearly but unable to see far off objects. अभी आपने जो point लिया है that is far off. So for a healthy human eye can see far off objects also clearly. This is a healthy human eye. Now what happened with the myopic eye? Now a myopic eye, what happened with the myopic eye is this. Let me draw the diagram, you come to know. Bulging part, cornea. This is the convex lens. Now, for a myopic eye, as said in definition, it can see near objects clearly, but are not able to see far off objects. यानी कि जब आपके पास your eye is having a myopic problem, then if light rays are coming from far off points, light rays are coming from rays from infinity. Suppose कहाँ से आ रही है? Rays from infinity. If and it is not mandatory कि it is infinity. For eye, it depends at what extent you are having this problem. So what happens when a light ray is coming from a far point? It is not mandatory, it is always infinity. It can be, I am going to explain you. Then what is going to happen? Then what does where does the image form? This is retina, you know this. Image is formed on the retina, and retina have rods and cone cells. So rods and cone cells helps us to these are photoreceptors, you know that. Now when you are suffering from myopic disease, then if rays are coming from any far point, it is not mandatory, it is always infinity, any far point, I am going to explain what is the meaning of this far point. Then light rays, after passing through the lens, then it will converge, it will not, image is not formed on the retina, it is formed before retina. So this is myopic eye. Now let me explain two terms. Far point, I suppose that in myopic eye you are not able to see far distances. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि I am seeing far distance, you are not able to see infinity. Infinity is a very far point. For a eye, far point can be anything beyond 4-5 meters. Even sometimes it is even 2 meters के बाद कोई भी distance आएगा, that is also considered as a far point. ठीक है? It is not always mandatory कि infinity ही होना चाहिए. It depends on the eye of a person कि उसको किस level. जब for example, if you are suffering from any disease, myopic or hypermetropia, when you visit optician, then to rectify your problem, he used to put a number of lenses in that kind of specs that he used to put on your eyes. So by putting those lenses of different powers, he or she can check what how much at what power of lens you have to apply, कि आपका जो चश्मा लगेगा वो कितनी पावर का लगेगा. So what it means, for if suppose if optician is for some person optician is using some other lens and some other person he is using other lens, इसका मतलब है दोनों का far point क्या है, अलग अलग है. ठीक है, बात समझ आई? So for some person far point can be 5 meter, for some person it can be 6 meter, for some person it can be 7 meter. It depends. For every person far point can't be same. It depends on the eye. I am going to explain कि किस पे depend करता है. So this is myopic eye. Clear? this is myopic eye. Now अब मायोपिक आई में आपके पास प्रॉब्लम क्या आई? मायोपिक आई में आपके पास यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी फार डिस्टेंसेस, यू आर एबल टू सी नियर डिस्टेंसेस। तो अब अगर आप देखोगे इसका मतलब ये है कि आपका जो फार पॉइंट है, इस मीन्स योर फार पॉइंट, इफ वी वांट टू करेक्ट दिस डिफेक्ट, योर फार पॉइंट वी हैव टू ब्रिंग क्लोजर। सो मायोपिक आई को अगर आपने ठीक करना है, यू वांट टू रेक्टिफाई, देन व्हाट यू कैन डू, आपके पास जो इन्फिनिटी वाला पॉइंट है, यू हैव टू ब्रिंग दैट क्लोजर। तो जब आप इन्फिनिटी वाले पॉइंट को क्लोज लाएंगे, देन अगेन इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड ऑन दी रेटिना। यानी कि आपके पास मायोपिक आई को अगर ठीक करना है, देन व्हाट यू कैन डू, दिस इज योर cornea, ठीक है, दिस इज योर आई लेंस। देन व्हाट यू कैन डू, right now this is infinity. Now for myopic eye you have to bring that point from infinity to somewhere closer to the eye. When you bring this point closer to the eye, then these are the light rays, then this is again going to meet at retina. So this is far point of a myopic eye, यानी कि these are the this is a lens, this is the far point of myopic eye. Clear? Far point of myopic eye is not infinity, ठीक है, you have to find out that far point. So what you are doing, you are trying to bring that far point closer to the eye. So this is your problem. Now go to your previous chapter. If you want to rectify this problem, then which lens you will use, concave or convex? Concave lens. Why? ध्यान से देखना, image is at infinity, yes or no? If you are going to put a convex lens here, then convex lens always forms a real and inverted image, yes or no? Real and inverted image. Clear? So but what happens in concave lens? Concave lens is a diverging lens. So when we put a concave lens here, then a light ray that is coming from infinity falls on a concave lens. It is going to diverge light rays and going to form the image of that object in front of a lens. So when that image for the eye lens behaves as an object, and what happens, that then image of that object will form on the retina. So correction में आप देखेंगे, suppose करो this is your eye, this is your convex lens. Now अभी भी आपका जो ऑब्जेक्ट है नॉर्मली इट इज एट इन्फिनिटी, ठीक है, इट इज इन्फिनिटी, सपोज ओ डैश इज अगेन एट इन्फिनिटी, देन व्हाट हैपन्स, rays from O dash still, this is object, sorry this is, यहाँ से शुरू करना था, these are the rays from the infinity. So आपने अब what you have done, आपने अब इसके आगे what, this is O dash, object is again at infinity. Now you have put a concave lens in front of your eye. So when you have put a concave lens in front of your eye, then this object, light will fall. Then what is going to happen? This concave lens is going to form, it is a diverging lens. It is going to diverge light back and this is the image of that object. Now this image will behave as an object for the eye lens and going to form image on the retina. Clear? I hope this is your correction. So one word may you can, there will be a question, correction of myopia. There can be a question, name a lens which is used to correct myopic eye. Then your answer will be concave lens. And these 4 diagrams are important because this question, if there will be an exam, so you have to draw these diagrams also. I hope it is clear to you. And this distance O dash to lens, you can say this distance is D. Clear? This distance is D. Now I am saying what are the causes of myopia. क्या causes हुए, you can tell me? First of all, the elongation of the eyeball. जो eyeball था, इमेज यहाँ पे बन रही है, ठीक है, तो यानी कि जो eyeball है उसने अपने साइज को क्या किया है, इंक्रीज, ठीक है. elongation of the eyeball, elongation of the eyeball. Number 2, excessive curvature of the eye lens. Excessive curvature of the eye lens. Clear? Clear. Now these are the causes of myopia. Clear? So concave lens of a suitable power will bring the image back onto the retina and thus the defect can be corrected. अब इसके साथ इस पे एक न्यूमेरिकल के लिए हम फॉर्मूला देखते हैं, ठीक है. अब सपोज करो यू हैव अ मायोपिक आई, यू हैव न्यूमेरिकल्स लाइक दिस, फोकल लेंथ एंड लेट मी focal length and power of a concave lens used to correct short-sightedness. Used to correct short-sightedness. अब lens, you have used a lens to correct this problem, so you know that lens formula is 1 by f is equal to minus 1 by u plus 1 by v. This is the lens formula, you know that. Now you know that for myopic eye, object is, you are not able to see the far off distances. It means u is the, yes, object distance, u here it is infinity. And when you apply sign conventions, u is minus infinity. As you can see, this is your normal eye, Object is at infinity and to the left of the optical center, that's why infinity. And what about V? V here is image distance. When you have used a concave lens, image distance from the eye. You can see this is the image of the object for the concave lens, and how much distance it will be from the eye? It is D. So V you can take minus D. So 1 by F minus 1 by infinity plus minus D. So 1 by infinity is 0. Padho, you know this. 1 by F is equal to minus 1 by D. So if you want to find out power, P, then formula you know that 1 by F in centimeters or meters. In meters you have to convert centimeter into meter. Clear? Now let me do one numerical. Question is, the far point of a myopic person is 150 centimeter in front of the eye. In front of the eye, calculate focal length and power of the lens. Calculate focal length, I am writing F, and power of the lens. You have to find out this. So what is given? This, what is this 150? You know that this is a lens formula is 1 by F is equal to minus 1 by U plus 1 by V. You know that U for myopic eye is infinity always. So, and you have bring that far point for a myopic person to a distance of 150 सेंटीमीटर. इसका मतलब है आपने ऑब्जेक्ट का जो नॉर्मल आई है उसमें ऑब्जेक्ट अगर इन्फिनिटी पे है तो जब आपने कनकेव लेंस लगाया तो उसके बाद जो इमेज बना कनकेव लेंस लगाने के बाद दैट इज 150 सेंटीमीटर. तो यानी कि अकॉर्डिंग टू फॉर्मूला आपने निकाला है u क्या है इन्फिनिटी. सो 1 by u is equal to 1 by infinity, that is equal to 0. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v. So what is the value of v? That is 50. So 1 by f is equal to minus of 1 by 50 according to sign conventions. So f comes out to be minus 150 सेंटीमीटर. सो पावर कितनी आ गई 1 अपॉन f. So you have to convert it into meters. When you are going to convert it into meters, 1 upon minus, it is minus 150. So it comes out to be minus 150 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 आना था तो वो 100 ऊपर चला गया 0. 10 divided by 15 it comes out to be minus 0.67 diopter. सेंटीमीटर से आपने किस में कन्वर्ट किया है मीटर में बिकॉज पावर इज डायोप्टर दैट इज द SI यूनिट. So you have to convert each and everything into meters. So always remember for myopic eye in a question what will be given always that is your V. that will be 150 centimeter. And for a myopic eye, you know that you are not able to see the object that is very at infinity, far distances ko you are not able to see, so u is always taken as infinity. Then when you put a concave lens से आपने उस ऑब्जेक्ट दैट इज एट इन्फिनिटी उसकी इमेज कहाँ पे बनाई है, नज़दीक बनाई है, तो उस इमेज, अब वो इमेज है तो वो इमेज, बट दैट इमेज इज एक्टिंग एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर द आई लेंस. सो फॉर अ मायोपिक पर्सन फार पॉइंट कितना हो गया, दैट इज 150 centimeter. That's all for today. Next defect we are going to discuss it in next class. Thank you.